I'm new to fatherhood. My son is 7, daughter's 5.5. And the older they get, the more nuanced it becomes. And I was taken by the fact that you had mentioned your daughter is staying with you at the house. And I'm like, that's what a rich thing to have your child with you.
I'm so thrilled that my kids are living with me.
I love that.
So I had kids young.
How old?
I was 26 and 27.
Okay.
So my kids are 25 and 26 now.
Okay.
And they both live with me. My daughter lives with her boyfriend on the 3rd floor, and my son lives we have a full basement apartment. That's his.
Awesome.
And the mom and I split 2 days before 9/11.
Wow.
Long time ago. So the kids were like 2 and 3 years old, I think.
That was a Sunday.
We split on a Saturday night. Yeah, Sunday morning.
I know that because I was recording a demo on the Monday before the Tuesday attack. I did the math. I rolled it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I balanced it, like, we had the blowout, bounce at 4 a.m. I went to my buddy Ian's house, opened up my flip phone, texted him using T9. Hey man, call me when you get up at 6 a.m. He calls me and I'm like, I'm out front. And he's like, fuck, dude. I'm like, yeah. So I live with him. And that's when 9/11 happened. And sorry, I lost my train of thought. What was I answering?
Fatherhood.
Yeah. So my dad, my real father, was a problem. Like I loved the man. He was problematic in a lot of ways and didn't end his life in the best part of his story arc.
Okay.
Or his life ended not on the best part of his story arc. And so I was always determined to just not be like him. And I wanted to be a better father. Mm-hmm. And so I've been very hands-on. And like anything, when I don't have the skill set, I just overcompensate with brute force. Mm. So time, I always put in a ton of time. When we were apart, we never got back together or even attempted to get back together. It was just, that's it, we're apart. And I was, it just started off with picking the kids up every day, taking them to school, Wednesday nights and every other weekend.
How old were they when this what happened?
So they were 2 and 3. Oof. Yeah, it was tough. And it was my mom who was pointed out to me, she's like, Jeremy, you're going to be a better father when you're happy and you've been miserable for a while now. Right. It was a problematic relationship. So fatherhood always came naturally to me. But I realized at Gen X, we were given the shittiest fucking toolbox. Like our parents.
Explain.
We were like this whole thing on TikTok and Instagram, drinking from a garden hose and running around feral, just come home and that's fucking true. Mm-hmm. We were just get the fuck out of here.